Hello and welcome to Tonic Studios. I'm Leo. I'm here today with Alison.
Hello.
And we are back to reintroduce you to the Enchanted Fairy Village. Now you may have seen these originally in our March Madness event. We've also then had them back onto Create and Craft TV with Jodie, so that was roughly 2 weeks ago. So if you haven't seen those shows, do go and check those out. They're available on the Create and Craft website. They have like a catch-up section on there. You'll see lots of demos from Jodie. She'll show you step by step how to put them together, and you'll see all of these amazing samples up close and personal as well. But we are back today and we're going to show you the die set and a couple of little samples so you can see what we have.
Oh, they're adorable.
They're so cute.
And the best thing is, they both come in one die set.
They do. It is a double die set.
It is one die set. Let's bring this into camera. So, look at this. This is a massive die set with instructions. So you can mix and match some of the elements as well. Obviously the basic shape stays as the basic shape.
Yes.
Because they are different sized lids.
Yes. Yeah.
So this is the one for the lovely mushroom shape. Oh, let me grab this one.
Little Maisie Mushroom.
This is our little mushroom. So this side is for that, obviously, because you've got the lid with the holes. That's your clue. And I would say take a photo of this before you take any dies off, so you know you've got everything in the right place. But after that then, all decoration is mix and match. So doors will swap, the steps will swap, things like that. You can move them around. The pattern for the top obviously only fits the one.
Yes, because it is shaped to go into each roof.
Exactly. But you've got so many windows, flowers. Look at the little trailing ivies you've got. Even they've got a magical touch. They've got all those lovely swirls. The roses.
Oh, I love the roses.
Let me bring this in to show you. Look at those adorable roses. Oh, the lid is coming off. I fell in love with those. They are so cute.
Really
and the little windows. Beautiful. Let's pop the lid back on there. Ooh,
got it.
very right.
While you've got it there, do you want to show how much of a gift box you actually have inside?
Yes. If I bring it there, look at that. You know, that's quite... There's my hand. So that is quite a substantial gift box.
Yeah, it's a good size.
It is. I'm just going to pop the lid back on.
And the mushroom one is slightly bigger.
It is bigger.
A larger opening, certainly.
Let's bring this one in. Take the top off. So look at the size of that one. It's a little bit shorter. So you've got a little stubby box here. But again, it's a good size. I'm thinking big candles.
Yes, definitely.
Bath bombs.
Oh, your chocolate orange is definitely going to fit in there
yes,
as well.
your chocolate orange.
All of those good
adorable. Plenty of chockies.
Yes.
Plenty of chockies will fit in there. Even those special ones that we like.
A whole box full of them. You can actually pick a mix shop and do a whole pick and mix. Yes. I haven't been there for a couple of weeks, might be time. So let's show you some of these amazing samples. So obviously we had a whole little village of these when we launched them back in March. Our lovely design team have done a few extras as well for us to show with Jodie. So I'm going to bring this one in. Now this is the Tatiana Tulip shape, and this one is from Roche. And what she's actually done, she's extended a couple of her roof panels and put them on sort of at an angle to give the roof this lovely little quirky angle, because let's be honest, you know, a little fairy village is probably not going to be all perfectly upright and straight.
No.
So they're going to be at a slightly different angle.
And mushrooms grow at different angles, don't they?
Exactly. But look at all the little flowers on the vines around there. You've got that lovely little set of steps at the front. There's a little sign in here that says Fairies Welcome as well.
Of course they are.
At the front of the house, which is very cute. I love that one.
But also you can have the roof going straight down.
Yes.
Like this one. Let me bring this one in. Or you can curve out the roof.
Yeah.
Like that one. So it depends how quirky you want to be.
Yep.
I can't say traditional because these are not in the slightest bit traditional, are they?
No, they're not.
But I think these are going to be every person that loves a fairy is going to love these.
Definitely.
Or enchanted things.
Yeah.
Because I suppose even if you've got little boys who, I'm thinking of dragons.
Could be a little dragon house or
things like that.
Yeah.
You know, you can still make them to suit little boys as well, and I think they would be equally in awe of these.
Oh, I think they would. I've got another gorgeous one here. This one is from Shilpa. So we've got that lovely vine just going up the front of the house and then all the way across the roof over the little window as well. Covered in teeny tiny little flowers, and she's put there's a brick pattern dye in this for the side panels, and she's like drag some white ink over it just to texture it a little bit. Very, very cute little mushrooms on the side.
Could be some light sheens here going across.
Yes, it could. Bit of sparkle.
Yes.
These definitely need a little bit of sparkle.
Yes,
don't they
do. I think that one with the sparkle and the airy mirry and
that's
the pew pew.
Check that one out. So yeah, definitely some pew pew paper going on there. But also we've got lots of little flashes of sparkle. There's some glittery card on the flowers.
Yeah.
Little bits on the butterflies going around the house as well. Very, very pretty.
And these dies are so tiny, the decoration. This is all your scraps as well.
Yes, yeah.
This is not big pieces of card. This is the scraps you've kept. This is your way to use them up.
There's another very clean little one here. This one is from Ruth. Absolutely covered in flowers all the way around. Those little mushrooms as well.
I love the mushrooms.
Very, very pretty. I like the little windows as well, little lattice effect windows in there. Very, very pretty. Love that one.
As soon as we saw these, we fell in love with them, didn't we?
The fact that you can get the two out of the double die set as well. I need to reach for this one, so please excuse me. I don't like holding them by their lids. So this one, you do have this lovely wood grain effect deboss die. So this one has that lovely wood grain. It's a nice clean and simple. This is very much Karen's colours. This isn't actually done by Karen. This one is from Christine. But it is very much Karen colours. We've got some teal in there, we've got some mustard in there.
We have.
Maybe a bit of marigold, but a yellow glitter card up here as well. But inside, if I just pull the lid off here, we actually have, now you know Christine's samples.
No, I haven't seen this.
So if I can get the lid back on, we have...
Oh, it's like a little windmill. It's the mouse in the windmill.
We've got a little knitted mouse.
Oh, look at that.
That lives in his little house. Isn't it cute? So Christine's mum knits all of these for her to put into her sample packs. He's got little whiskers.
Oh, they're adorable.
Little filament whiskers as well. So cute in his little house.
So if you've got a knitter in the family, ask them to do a bit of creating for you, and I'm sure they'd love to.
I don't know.
Because I bet they got patterns from everywhere.
Oh, I bet they have. There might even be another one somewhere. Hold on.
I love the fact the door is open on that one as well.
You can see the little mouse in his little house.
Because you have to.
In his little mushroom house. Oh, I can't get the lid on today. It's me doing it wrong.
I like the fact that she's shaded around, if I bring this in, all around the steps. It's just a little bit of ink in, all around the top of the roof, a little bit of ink in. It's just that detail, isn't it? And again, those beautiful roses. Oh, I just think they're adorable.
Yeah, very, very cute little houses. Right, okay.
There we are.
Let me see if I can find...
Which one you looking for?
I don't know. This one is cute as well. Slightly different. So this one is from Roche. And she's actually cut a little platform for it to sit on. So just a circle die. You've got these lovely little pebble dies. So she's cut all these little pebbles in here to give it a little platform to sit on. A little sign as well. Flowers in and amongst it all. Very, very cute.
And they've all come from the step
Yes.
from the house.
Have a look at that pink one. Can you reach the pink one down at the front there?
Oh, I don't know about that. They're nice stubby little lines. Hang on, excuse me.
Reaching.
Oh, hang on. Look at this.
I love this one. So this is I have a feeling this is from Angela.
It's got to be. Yes, it is. If it's pink, it's from Ange.
And she's cut those little pebbles again, but can you see how they go all the way around the base of the house?
That's adorable.
Absolutely love that. They're all shaped. They've all got a bit of something on them
Yeah.
as well.
Bit of inking, bit of glitter.
Exactly. I think this is definitely a set where you can bring out your glitter, your aqua shimmers, your sparkle spray, all of your glitter card, your pew pew, anything like that.
A little bit of cotton wool in the roof.
Absolutely.
Vicky's here is a little bit of tulle.
Yeah.
So again, this is one to go through your scrap boxes, isn't it? Roche's has got a little bit of ribbon along the top. So have a look what scraps you've got, because it doesn't matter, they don't have to be paper.
Nope.
Have a look in your fabrics and your ribbons and even your first aid box, because you never know what you're going to find. Oh, look at you creeping around the corner.
Aren't I good, right? So speaking of paper, this one is from Shilpa. And she's actually made the little house this time out of our Dusky Rose patterned paper.
Nice.
Which is very, very pretty.
I
really
love
like
how
this.
much curve she's got on that roof as well.
Yeah, same. And she's used majestic gold pearlescent card for that as well. Just little gold butterflies just hovering around it as well. Very, very cute.
And adding the curve to the top.
Yes, yeah, really emphasising that. Very, very pretty. So, hopefully this has given you lots of inspiration for building your own fairy village. You're going to have like a whole windowsill full of fairy houses, could you imagine? Yes. I think they would be perfect for a birthday party.
Yes.
You know, lots of them dotted around with things inside for people to discover. Little people, obviously, to discover.
Well, we've just started the summer holidays, haven't we? I don't know what the weather's going to be like. You never know in the UK.
Yes.
What about helping your children to make these? And this could be their summer holiday project.
Oh, that would be so much fun for them, getting all the glitter out and things like that.
Yeah.
Messy but fun.
Make the most of those sunny days, but when it's not so sunny, revert to the fairy village.
Absolutely. So this is available now from our website. Go and grab one for yourself. Of course, that does also mean that if you are a Tonic Craft Kit subscriber, you get your 10% TCK discount off it as well, which is an amazing deal. If you do pick this up, don't forget to tag us in your makes. She forgot. She's not done this.
I'm doing the cheeky thumbs up first.
You are, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, do tag us in your makes. Show us what you've been making.
Yes, definitely.
You not only inspire the rest of our lovely crafty community, but you inspire us as well. Your colour palettes give us ideas and things like that too. And you never know, we may end up showing off your amazing projects in our weekend to show and tell. What else do I need to tell you? You can pay in instalments on our website using ClearPay, ShopPay and PayPal. If you need to spread the cost a little bit, if you've added this and bunch of other things to your basket, you have that option.
Sometimes they just jump in with the fairies.
They do. Yeah, the fairies just, you know, float them in for you. I'm sure that's what happens. Yeah, this is a good time to say that if you have enjoyed this video, please do give us a little thumbs up.
That cheeky thumbs up.
There we go.
Jumped in early.
Make sure you are subscribed to our channel and hit that notification bell.
Ting!
And you'll be notified every time we post a new video and when we go live. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you all again very soon. Happy crafting!